Hello, this is Felty from VidYen.com. This is about how to create a Monero web wallet for VidHash at VidHash.com. So some of you may have seen some ads or something going around about VidHash if you've been demonetized on YouTube and you wanted crypto which is rising rapidly in price. You can use VidHash.com to have people mine cryptocurrency while watching videos. However, if you're new to it, you may not know how to start a wallet. I'm going to recommend something just to get started. I wouldn't recommend doing this long term, but just to get started, something to do. You can always just switch wallets down the road. So probably the easiest way to get into it is mymonero.com. They have a Windows application. There's also another site called getmonero.org, but that one's a little bit more complicated, and you're going to be watching our YouTube. So let's just click on the link, add web wallet. I'm in the way. 1 second. Move. All right. Move myself over. So you can create a new wallet. Hopefully the mobile version. Read all these. You're probably going to lose your money if you aren't careful, because you are acting as your own bank. Here's the mnemonic key. They recommend you to write this down in a physical location with no cameras. It's secure as you want to take it, though. I'm going to paste it in Notepad because I am being lazy, and you already see the key, so somebody will be accessing this right away. So remember, if you lose this key, you lose your wallet. So if you put $1 million on this thing, which you should never do, and you lose this, or somebody gets a screenshot like this and gets it, then you lost all your savings or whatever you had in Monero. I usually recommend for something like less than $100, do this way. Learn how to, well, just as a personal recommendation, earn your Monero to it and then transfer it to something like a Bitcoin wallet that you have secured much greatly, unless you want to stay in Monero. In that case, you should probably use the official downloaded client on the Linux box. That's it. Next, choose the first 7 words, because I just simply copy and paste that to Notepad, which you should never do. October, topic, tell, asylum, yawning, torch, often. All right, let's go next. And now my wallet. Unfortunately, if you use the this thing, it's kind of scary. It's like, I'm not receiving because I have to download that. We don't actually have to download the app. You already have your Monero wallet here, and that's your address. So when I do the next video on how to mine, we'll use that address for the mining tutorial video. All right. So if you have any questions, hit me up at Felty256. Go to VidYen.com, post in the comments. Please subscribe, as I always say. I'm not a big content creator. This is just a video tutorial, but feel free. I do respond to comments because it does ping me when you do. So basically, have somebody send to this address, and you'll be fine. Whatever you do, don't show them this information. Otherwise, somebody's going to access the account. Feel free to send stuff to this to withdraw. All right, you guys have a good day.